All right, doing something a little bit different today, doing a little saltwater fishing. I'm excited. It's something out of my comfort zone. I'm gonna get to go out here in my Slayer Max 12.5 foot native watercraft and get after it, hopefully catch some big redfish. Let's do it. Got him. First one. Hooked up. Small red. Fun though. He's gotta eat it. There he is. Got him. Biggin'. I think this is what they call a bull red. Hit it right on his nose. That was incredible. That was incredible. He was swimming right by my. That was awesome, man. Drag's not super loose. He's just pulling. Oh, he pulled off. No. No. There she goes. Yes, sir. This one's fighting. Got you. Yes, sir. That is beautiful. My goodness, y'all. This is definitely a once in a lifetime experience. Been out here in my native, you know, I'm in the Slayer Max and just, I'm sight fishing. That's the only way I've gotten, you know, a couple to bite. And I mean, this fish is just beautiful, beautiful red. I don't know, you know, I'm new to this. I don't know how big this one is, but it's probably my biggest one. So definitely, definitely a lot of fun. They fight incredibly hard, super strong, and just a beautiful fish.